Hello and welcome to another episode of Derek's Easy Home Cooking. We like to try to show recipes that you can make at home. And an Asian favorite, a Filipino favorite, is chicken adobo. And today we'll show you how to make this dish. So I'd like to show you the ingredients that we'll need. First of all, we have a chicken. We won't be using all of it, but we'll be cutting some parts from it. The other ingredients that we'll need are some onion, about half an onion. We have 2 cloves of garlic, half a cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, brown sugar in this case, just a little bit of pepper, black peppercorn, apple cider vinegar. You can also use white vinegar. That'll be half a cup of water, and just a little bit of salt. You can also add a bay leaf. We don't have that, but you can cook this dish without bay leaves as well. So we're just going to cut the chicken at the joints. We finished cutting the chicken and we're going to use the wings, the drumstick, and the thighs. And I'm going to save the chicken breast for another use. This dish cooks kind of long and slow and the breast will get dry, but the other cuts will be nice and tender. So we have all the ingredients in the pot, and now we'll take it over to the stove and bring it to a boil. So we brought the mixture to a boil, and now we're going to cover it partially and let it simmer for about 40 minutes. Hello and welcome to another episode. Yeah.
What?
I don't know why. Hi. So I'd like to show you the
What?
So I'd like to show you the ingredients that we'll be using today. Dami.